Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the wallpaper in Zangi. Now let us begin. Well, do note that there are two ways. You can simply change the wallpaper for a singular chat or globally. I'm gonna show you guys how to do both. For instance, let's say I want to change the wallpaper of this chat. As you guys can see, this right here is the wallpaper. Now let's try to change it. Well, right now all you guys need to do is to focus at the top. Right here you can see the person's name along with their profile picture. Simply click on it right now, and as such this thing will open up. From here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now what you need to do is simply search for this thing called as wallpaper. Click on it, and that is it. From here, simply select the random wallpaper of your choice. And do note that you can also add custom wallpapers if you simply click on this open gallery button. Let's say I want to add this one right here. It's gonna download it, and that is it. I'm gonna go to the chat right now. This is it, guys. As you guys can see, the wallpaper has been changed. Similarly, you can change the wallpaper globally. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to settings at the bottom right, and once you've done that, as you guys can see, there are multiple options. But right now what you guys need to do is simply go to this button called as chat. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Once you are in the chat section, well, do note that there are lots of things you can look around. But right now what you need to do is simply click on this background button. Now as such, simply select the wallpaper of your choice, and the wallpaper will have been changed globally. And guys, that is it. That's how we change wallpaper in Zangi. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.